Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the trial chambers in Minecraft. So basically what first you're going to do is you're just going to make sure that you have a mode of transportation, and that can either be by a horse or, in my case, I have equipped myself with an elytra, okay, and some firework rockets. So I'm just going to fly and reach the place quickly. Further, what you must do is remember, basically you're just gonna find a village in which there's a cartographer. And basically if you don't find a village with a cartographer, what you can do is basically you can craft this table, and then you can place it next to these villagers, okay, and they might learn the profession and become the cartographer. And once they learn, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to trap them somehow. So here, as you can see, I trapped one, and now because it's going night, he's sleeping. So basically, what you're just gonna do is you're just gonna, okay, let me just wake him up. You're just gonna keep making trades with him till you level him up to level 3, that is Journeyman. After you level him up to level 3 Journeyman, you're gonna unlock this Trial Explorer map, okay? And you're just gonna buy this for about 8 compass, okay? And I have 8 compass, and I have bought one, okay? So this is the map. As you can see, basically the white dot in the center, as you can see on the top right side of the map, are the location in which we are currently, and its pointy end shows in which way we are facing. If I turn like this, it changes the direction, okay? So now the thing is, there is another marking on the map in which there's a square box type marking, and that's where our trial chamber is located. So let's go there and see. So I'm just gonna fly. Okay. Okay, let me just switch back to the adventure mode. Okay, let me just take off from here. Okay, as you can see, we're almost on top of it. It's just about right here somewhere. So let me just land softly, just like this. Okay. So we're just on top of it. Okay. So basically, you're just gonna travel a lot and find where it is. Okay. You have found the place. Basically, you're just gonna check at what level you are currently, and you're just gonna go down about the level of 20 blocks. So we're just gonna go down and let's see if we can find it. Okay. A bit on this side. We're gonna keep going down, okay? Keep going downwards. Eventually, you're just gonna find a trial room. So as you can see, near about 20. So this was a short tutorial on how to find the trial chambers, and it doesn't have to be specific 20, but it's gonna be near 20. It can go about plus 10 or minus 10, okay? So but pretty much it is around 20, okay? So that's pretty much for this tutorial, guys. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you guys need more tutorials like this, comment down in this comment section, and see you in my next video. Goodbye.